Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to save your custom AutoCAD workspace so you never lose it using the easy method. This is a great way to freeze your personal button layouts on your current setup so your drawing software keeps your screen exactly the way you like it. Step 1. Open the bottom workspace switcher tool. The first step is to locate the small mechanical setup button at the bottom edge of your screen that handles your default interface layouts. Move your mouse pointer down to the very bottom right corner of your software window, find the small icon that looks like a tiny gear wheel, and click on it once to open up your layout menu. Scan down the pop-up list that appears above the gear to look at the different pre-made setup names available. This is the start of everything, because your computer needs to know that you want to capture the exact layout currently visible on your monitor. You have to open this quick setting menu so you can access the saving tools built into the software. Without this step, any changes you make to your toolbars will just be temporary and could vanish the next time you turn off your machine. Step 2. Save your current layout under a new name. Next, you need to use the saving command inside that gear menu to take a picture of your current screen arrangement and give it a unique personal name. Click the bottom gear wheel icon again, scroll down the list to find the line that says Save Current As, and click on it to open a small text entry box. Type a clear and simple name for your custom layout inside the box, like My Safe Workspace, and click the blue Save button. Because if you leave your layout named after the default factory setting, the software can easily overwrite it during a routine update. By creating a brand new custom-named slot, you separate your personal look from the standard files. It ensures your custom toolbars are locked into a dedicated profile that belongs only to you. Step 3. Turn on the Automatically Save Workspace settings toggle inside that same gear menu. Move your pointer back down to the gear wheel tool, click it open, look near the bottom of the list for the line that says Workspace Settings, and click on it. Look inside the new box that pops up, find the circle next to the words Automatically Save Workspace Changes, click it to turn it on, and hit the OK button. This is the most important part, because if you move a toolbar by accident, you want the computer to remember its new home automatically. Turning on this smart tracking choice prevents the software from reverting back to old positions every time the app closes. It is the key step to getting the right output because it keeps your drawing screen perfectly updated in the background without any extra effort from you. And that's it. To save your custom AutoCAD workspace so you never lose it, you must first click the gear icon at the bottom right corner to see your view options. Then you select Save Current As and type a new name to create your own personal profile. Next, you open the settings window to turn on Automatically Save Workspace Changes so the system tracks your movements. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.